1. Why psychology beats strategy in Forex. You believe the secret to Forex success is hidden in complex charts or foolproof strategies, right? What if I told you the real battlefield isn't the market but your own mind? Traders with the best strategies still lose if they can't control fear, greed, or doubt. The harsh truth: your psychology makes or breaks every trade. So before you chase the perfect system, master the silent game happening inside your head. 2. The silent saboteur, fear in Forex trading. Ever wonder why you freeze at critical moments or exit trades too early? That invisible force crippling your decisions? It's fear. But fear isn't just an enemy, it's a warning sign, a trigger that reveals where you're vulnerable. The toughest traders don't erase fear, they harness it. Learn to dance with your fear or risk being its next victim. 3. The power of discipline and consistency. Imagine winning one trade after another, not by luck, but because you have an unbreakable discipline. Sounds impossible? Not for those who truly understand that consistency is the secret weapon in Forex. Discipline turns chaos into order, emotions into strategy, and randomness into reliable profit. Without it, even the best ideas crumble. What's your discipline costing you? 4. Why overtrading kills your account. You think more trades mean more chances to win, right? Think again. Overtrading is like throwing darts blindfolded. Your losses will stack up fast. The market punishes impulse and impatience with brutal precision. The trick? Patience and selectivity. Wait for the perfect moment, then strike. Otherwise, you're just feeding the beast that's eating your account. 5. Greed, the illusion of quick wealth. What if I told you that chasing fast money is the fastest way to lose everything? Greed whispers promises of instant fortune, but it's a deadly illusion. It blinds traders to risk and fuels reckless bets. The market doesn't reward haste, it rewards patience and steady growth. Slow down or risk losing what took you years to build. 6. How ego destroys trading success. Have you ever felt unstoppable, like you've got the market figured out? That's your ego speaking, the most dangerous enemy of all traders. Overconfidence breeds reckless trades and blinds you to warning signs. The market humbles everyone eventually. The question is, will you learn and adapt, or fall victim to your own arrogance? 7. Revenge trading, a trader's worst enemy. After a painful loss, your mind screams to get even. That's the trap of revenge trading, where logic goes out the window and destruction begins. Chasing losses is like pouring fuel on a fire, it only grows. The smartest traders know when to step back, breathe, and fight another day. Can you control the urge to retaliate, or will it control you? 8. The importance of a trading journal. Imagine having a secret weapon that reveals your deepest trading weaknesses and your greatest strengths. A trading journal is exactly that. Most traders ignore this powerful tool and repeat the same costly mistakes. But those who commit to tracking every trade, emotion, and decision unlock the hidden patterns behind their success or failure. Are you ready to uncover your truth? 9. Mindfulness, the trader's secret weapon. What if the key to unlocking better trades isn't more analysis, but a quiet mind? Mindfulness, being fully present, lets you spot opportunities, control stress, and avoid impulsive mistakes. A simple breathing exercise before you trade could mean the difference between disaster and victory. Can you silence the noise and focus like a laser? 10. Bouncing back from drawdowns. Every trader hits rock bottom at some point, the dreaded drawdown. But here's the secret. It's not the fall that defines you, it's how you rise. The market tests your mental strength and resilience. Accept losses, learn ruthlessly, and keep your eyes on the long game. Because traders who bounce back stronger are the ones who survive and thrive. 11. Why trading plans fail without mindset. You've spent hours, maybe even days, perfecting your trading plan. Charts analyzed, strategies lined up, risk calculated. But why do you still find yourself abandoning the plan when real money is on the line? Because the toughest battle isn't in the market, it's inside your own mind. Without ironclad mental discipline, your plan is just a fragile hope waiting to be broken. Are you ready to face the real challenge and conquer your mind first? 12. The hidden cost of impulse trading. Every impulsive trade feels like a lightning strike, quick and thrilling. But what if I told you that each one chips away silently at your account like a thief in the night? Impulse trading isn't excitement. It's chaos disguised as opportunity, and it's bleeding your capital dry. How long will you let emotions drain your hard-earned money before you take control? 13. Why patience is your greatest ally. In a world obsessed with instant gratification, patience seems like a curse. But in Forex, patience is the secret weapon that separates the winners from the losers. Waiting for the perfect setup isn't boring, it's survival. The market rewards those who can resist the urge to act impulsively. Can you silence your impatience and wait long enough to win big? 14. The dangerous trap of confirmation bias. Have you ever found yourself only seeing what you want to see in the market? That's the dangerous trap called confirmation bias, your brain's sneaky trick to convince you that your ideas are right, no matter what the data says. It's the invisible force that clouds your judgment and leads to costly mistakes. The market doesn't care about your biases. But will you be able to see through them? 15. How loss aversion destroys your trading. Losing money feels painful, so painful that your brain will do anything to avoid it. But this loss aversion can backfire badly. It traps traders into holding on to losing trades for too long or jumping out of winners too early. The question is, will you let your fear of loss control your decisions, or will you break free and trade smarter? 16. The psychology behind risk management. Everyone talks about risk management like it's just numbers on a screen. But the real risk management starts in your mind. It's a battle against fear, greed, and temptation to break your own rules. Can you develop the mental toughness to cut losses quickly and protect your capital, no matter how hard the market pushes back? 17. Why you must accept uncertainty. No matter how many charts you study or strategies you develop, the market will always surprise you. Trying to control every outcome is a fool's errand. The secret? Accepting uncertainty not as defeat, but as your gateway to freedom. When you stop fighting the unpredictable, you open yourself up to true trading mastery. Are you brave enough to let go? 18. The power of emotional detachment. Imagine looking at your trades with a clear, calm mind, no fear, no greed, no ego clouding your judgment. Emotional attachment to trades is like wearing blinders. It keeps you from seeing the truth and makes mistakes inevitable. The most successful traders learn to detach emotionally, treating every trade like a business decision. Can you train yourself to feel nothing and profit everything? 19. How overconfidence leads to catastrophic losses. That rush of I can't lose, it's intoxicating, but it's also a ticking time bomb. Overconfidence blinds you to risks and warning signs, pushing you to make reckless moves. The market doesn't care about your bravado, it will humble you hard and fast. Will you let overconfidence destroy your account, or will you stay humble and survive? 20. The long game, why patience beats quick wins. Quick wins feel amazing, but they're often just illusions, fleeting and unreliable. True trading success isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's built by grinding every day, learning from losses, and steadily growing your account. Those who chase fast money often end up broke, while patient traders build lasting wealth. Are you ready to stop chasing and start winning for the long haul? 21. The costly mistake of ignoring your emotions. Imagine making a trade that feels perfect until suddenly your emotions take over. Anger, frustration, excitement, they sneak in without warning and hijack your decision-making. What if I told you most losing trades aren't because of bad strategy, but because you ignored how you felt? Your emotions are the silent puppeteers of your trading fate. Until you recognize and control them, you're trading blindfolded. Are you ready to face the truth lurking inside your mind? 22. Why most traders fail, the mindset trap. Over 90% of traders lose money, and it's not because they lack knowledge or skills. The real culprit? A mindset trapped in fear, greed, and doubt. The market doesn't care if you have a winning strategy. If your mind is weak, it will crush you every time. What separates winners from losers isn't charts or indicators, but mental resilience. So, the question is, which side will you choose? 23. The secret link between confidence and preparation. Confidence feels like a superpower in trading, but here's the secret. Fake confidence is the fastest path to ruin. True confidence is earned only through preparation, experience, and hard lessons. Without it, every trade feels like a gamble, a roll of the dice. Ask yourself, are you truly ready to trade with genuine confidence or just fooling yourself? 24. How patience turns losses into lessons. Losses hurt. But the difference between a trader who fails and one who succeeds is how they respond. The patient trader doesn't panic or blame luck, they dissect every loss, searching for hidden lessons. Each loss becomes a stepping stone toward mastery. The market is harsh, but it rewards those who learn. Can you turn your pain into power, or will losses break you? 25. The trap of chasing every market move. Do you feel the urge to jump into every market move, fearing you'll miss out? That's a dangerous trap. Chasing the market burns you out and clouds your judgment, turning smart trades into reckless gambles. The secret? Precision, waiting patiently for the setups that truly matter. Will you keep chasing illusions, or will you learn to trade with surgical focus? 26. Why journaling can save your trading career. Imagine if you could rewind time and avoid your worst mistakes. A trading journal gives you that power. By revealing hidden patterns, emotional triggers, and costly habits you didn't even know you had. Yet, most traders ignore this simple tool and keep repeating the same errors. Will you be the trader who learns and evolves, or the one doomed to repeat history? 27. The danger of letting ego rule your trades. Ego whispers seductive lies. You're unstoppable, you know better, just one more trade. But ego is a deceiver, leading you straight into disaster. The market has no mercy for arrogance, it punishes traders who let ego drive their decisions. The real question, will you let ego steer your trades, or will you master your pride and survive to trade another day? 28. How to spot and avoid revenge trading. You just took a painful loss. The urge to get even burns inside you like fire. But revenge trading is a poison, clouding your judgment, fueling reckless risk, and destroying accounts faster than any market crash. The moment you seek revenge is the moment you lose control. Can you resist that urge and trade with a calm, clear mind instead? 29. The quiet strength of emotional control. Master traders don't just master the market, they master themselves. Emotional control isn't about burying feelings, it's about understanding and managing them. This quiet strength transforms panic into patience, fear into focus. Without it, even the best strategy crumbles. Do you have what it takes to conquer your emotions and trade like a pro? 30. Why slow and steady wins in Forex. In a world obsessed with fast money and instant results, slow and steady feels invisible, even boring. But it's the slow, methodical trader building profits day by day who survives and thrives in the long run. The market rewards patience, discipline, and consistency. So, will you chase fleeting quick wins or play the long game and win for life? 31. The silent enemy, fear of missing out, FOMO. You see the market moving fast, everyone's jumping in and making money. Suddenly, that panic creeps in, if I don't act now, I'll miss out forever. But FOMO is a silent enemy, pushing you into bad trades, reckless decisions, and costly mistakes. The market will always offer opportunities. The real question is, will you let fear control you, or will you trade with patience and power? 32. Why most traders can't handle losses. Losses aren't just numbers, they cut deep, shaking your confidence and rattling your mind. Many traders crumble under this pressure, making irrational moves just to get back what they lost. But what if losses were actually your greatest teacher? Will you learn to embrace them, or will you let them destroy your trading career? 33. The illusion of control in Forex trading. We all want to believe we're in control, the master of our trades, the captain of our destiny. But here's the brutal truth, the market is unpredictable and uncontrollable. Trying to control every outcome is a recipe for frustration and failure. The real skill is learning to adapt and accept uncertainty. Are you ready to let go of control and thrive? 34. How overtrading destroys your account. The thrill of the market can be addictive, so addictive that many traders fall into the trap of overtrading. Constantly opening new positions, chasing every signal, hoping to strike gold. But this hyperactivity burns through your capital and focus, leaving you exhausted and broke. Can you break free from the impulse to trade nonstop and regain control? 35. The power of routine in successful trading. Ever wonder why some traders seem calm and consistent no matter what the market does? Their secret isn't luck, it's routine. Developing daily habits like planning, journaling, and reviewing trades builds a mental fortress that protects against chaos. Without routine, you're building on sand. Will you create your fortress or remain vulnerable? 36. Why emotionally detached trading wins. Imagine looking at your trades without any emotional baggage, no fear, no greed, no hope or regret. That's the power of emotional detachment. It's not about being cold-hearted, it's about seeing trades objectively and making decisions based on facts, not feelings. Can you detach enough to trade like a true professional? 37. How greed can turn a winning streak into disaster. Winning streaks feel amazing until greed sneaks in. The desire for more can make you take bigger risks, ignore your rules, and lose everything in one devastating trade. Greed is the silent saboteur of consistent profits. Will you recognize the warning signs before it's too late? 38. The mental game of risk versus reward. Every trade is a battle between risk and reward, but the real fight happens in your mind. Are you willing to accept small losses to capture bigger gains? Or does fear push you to hold on to losers and cut winners short? Mastering this mental game is the key to unlocking your trading potential. Are you ready to play? 39. The danger of trading without a plan. Flying blind in the market is like walking into a storm without an umbrella. Without a solid trading plan, you're vulnerable to every emotional gust: fear, greed, panic. The market will chew you up and spit you out if you don't have a roadmap. Do you have a plan? Or are you gambling with your future? 40. Why self-awareness is the trader's secret weapon. The market is a mirror. It reflects not just price action but your own strengths, weaknesses, and blind spots. Self-awareness allows you to recognize when your emotions or biases are hijacking your trades. Without it, you're a ship lost at sea. With it, you can navigate the storm and steer toward consistent success. Are you ready to look in the mirror?